Fresh quality. Is that good lighting? Yeah, that's spicy lighting. So welcome to another Shout YouTube episode, Reet Chronicles with your man Farron. We're here in SA for round 3 of SA Drift at Mallala. So we haven't been here in about 10 years, I reckon. Last time I was here, it was the yellow LS31 days, the sedan. Only a few of you will probably know it. But yeah, we're back in the 34 after Darren Kelly used it at our Battle Royale last event. Yeah, she'll be right. Throw some stuff together, give it a quick service and bring it straight out. The 33 was a little bit worse for wear after a little wall hit there. Corey found a few little bent things.
Oh, there's so many bent things.
But she's fixable. We'll bring her back, don't worry about it. But 34, I've just taken it out for a quick first lap, just a side lap to see how it goes. Side lap is in blaze the whole set, but anyway, still a side lap. Got to get the feel of it. So we've got the front wheels off the 33 with the newish 808, and it's feeling really understeery and not much response in the front there. Don't know if something's bent or it's just don't know. It's a little bit soft still, so we've stiffened up the front nut. The rear it's stiffened up a bit because it was braking axles flat out in this thing because it keeps squatting and grabbing on the guard, I'm pretty sure, or the cage bolts. Yeah. Cage bolts are right up in there and it's squatting and grabbing. Apart from that, it's not bad. It feels low on power. This is now the lowest power of the Reet fleet with 370 kilowatt or something, but it still feels like it's a bit down. It could definitely do with a checkup as it's been a while. But yeah, it's missing like a tiny bit and coming on boost pretty slowly. But apart from that, everything else is pretty solid. It was a little bit skatey on 25 PSI. We're repping the Zek Novas on the rear. Done a whole lot there. Oof. So we're going to drop the pressure down and go for another session. Try and get this line. As you'll see, it's a nice deep line, massive fast speed, 3rd or 4th gear, either mid 4th or top of 3rd or top of 4th even once you get comfortable. But it's really throw it deep and then it's a nice long sweeper. So you really need that grip to pull you in spot. And depending if you're following someone fast, so you don't wash through them. If we can get that grip dialed and get that response right in the front, we should be good. I'll give you a quick suss of the layout before we get out in the car so you get a bit of an outside visual of what we're looking at. This is the entry right behind our pit here. Big entry, deep, past where the corner will flow, so he's going the normal line. Go nice and deep, then around, I'm not even know how he's in this thing. As you can see, fast paced, and that was pretty funny. What are the chances? LS31, but green. Memories. Alright, you've seen the layout. It's got a few S's before that big corner, but that's the main corner that's judged and all that, so let's get out there, Drew.
The Victorians have come, the double-headed Victorians. Palmers.
Shut up. Oh, look at that. Ooh.
Bang, bang, bang.
That's a ticket. That's a ticket.
Oh, true. Second practice done. Oh, third? Is that third? Oh, yeah, because we went straight back out. That was second practice. We got a second pair on there while the session was on. We dialed too much grip in the back, so I was fighting the front. I don't know what's going on with these tyres. I can't remember if they're normally 200 treadwear, but they're feeling quite slippery. Yeah, so 18 PSI. It was too low, so we've gone up to 22. And it feels like a pretty sweet spot. Apart from that, we've got 55 to 60 mil tow. Definitely looked like it had a lot of tow when I was sitting on the trailer, so we're just fixing that up now. Hopefully that fixes the turn-in because it's very delayed on that turn-in. Apart from that, feeling good. Still need to just try chase people down on this line. Feeling quite good, throwing in deep and big. So one more track to go, and then we're back tomorrow to hunt some doors with old Scott Miller and Mr. Snail himself. Just said good day before, and a few other good drivers. Let's get back out there one more time.
Oh, now you stopped at the cameras on, yeah? We've got a wanker. Oh, how? Take that thing away from us.
Prepare.
Go away. That thing is beaten. So big.
Nasty.
Both off me. Too early. Way too early.
while. But nah, that toe fix made it a bit more predictable on the initiation, but then it made it real snappy, almost too snappy on the throwback. The rear is definitely still feeling like it's overpowering the front, which is really interesting. It's like these tyres are stale or something. I don't know what's going on there.
What I'm going to do is put different wheels on the front to set the toe, because these things stick out here, so you can't put the plates on very well. It's pissing me off.
Yeah, well,
So
depends if we've got time.
Then just put them on to set the toe and then chuck them back on.
Oh, true.
Yeah.
Nah, don't worry about that.
No?
Nah, just bang a little bit more toe out. That's it.
Just a little bit. So
Yeah,
just
that's all I need. Just in between what it was.
Yeah.
It was like,
Yeah, so
obviously
I'll go
retarded, and then that
quarter
was sort of
turn
like, but yeah, definitely felt good entering with him.
Yeah.
Had that one with Aaron Gordon there, and
and
he told me
it's,
his tyres were a bit dead, but
Okay.
we just sent it, and I was like, oh, he might have it, Doesn't have, but it was carrying. We scraped his front bumper on the door. As I drove away, I was like, can avoid. Oh, we avoided it. And then I don't know if he pulled forward a little bit when I went past. Just dragged his front bumper on the side. Lucky doors are already cooked. I don't know if it did anything work.
Then let's scratch my car.
Does it?
Nah, it's like kinked it in a little bit.
Oh, actually.
Nah, it's alright. It's gonna scrape the whole way down there.
31 front bar scrape. Yeah, that second corner was really weird. It was just like snapping so hard, and it wouldn't come back at all. I haven't had that before. Yeah, it didn't matter what spot it was, just like, oh, we're going backwards. I don't know if it's like a bit off camber, and it just pulled you away from the corner. Oh, that's it for today. I need my hat on.
Yeah, put your hat on. You look like an idiot today.
So that's it for today. We'll close this video out here. We'll come back tomorrow for the competition. Car's all set up, ready to go. Yeah, a few little changes, and it should be sweet. And then we'll smack some doors more, get the snail, and Scott Miller, I'm sure will have a real good line. I think him and Dale came second last time they were at this track, so we'll definitely throw down with them. Bang, comment what you think if you like this track. Yeah, like it, subscribe it, click the bell for Hori. Do it for Hori. I'll see you next time.
Certain cat, we gon' run it back. Shotties in the back, wanna run it back.